Hey guys, this is a 2024 Trail Boss Z71 package 1500 Silverado. It's got the 3.0 liter turbo Duramax diesel. Sharp vehicle with the blackened wheels, the badging. Just gonna walk around it right quick and let you get a good look at it. Already has, this is the LT package, already has the factory spray-in bed liner, sliding rear glass with defrost. The interior for this one is the Gideon very dark atmosphere interior. Super nice vehicle with Bose stereo. Got a really nice surround camera system, 360, where you got the 360 angles. Let me close the door. When I close the door, now you can see dual climate control, heated seats. Super nice vehicle. Give me a call, Dwayne Hill, 515-306. That's 1418. 515-306-1418, or call me directly at my office, 515-278-7871.